Virtual reality offers amazing immersive at-home experiences, but in most cases, flailing your two hands around endlessly is not realistic and it gets old pretty fast. So when I play sports, I want my ping pong paddle and my badminton racket to feel realistic. And when I play shooter games, I want my guns to feel good. But when I want to go kayaking, my paddle actually needs to be way different. But wouldn't it be nice if this experience was not only realistic, but seamless and fluid as well? Unfortunately, this doesn't exist today. But the good news is that we are making it. So forget the need for all of this hardware. Wield VR makes one product for all VR games, so you can wield the virtual objects how you want.